Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Kalash, Pranay, Prashant, Nivedita.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Let everyone join and then we'll begin, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is the section G now. This is the section G, perhaps. Section G, am I right?
Yes, section G.
Okay. Now, let's talk about, wait a minute. Today, since it's a cute class, so what is the strength, Nidhi? What is the strength of the class? Isha, Kalash, Prashant, Ketan. What is the strength of the class? In cute?
Sir, it's approx 25.
25
Yes, sir. Approx.
approximately. Okay. So first, let's choose topic for group discussion because today we'll have groups, and after that in groups we'll discuss this. You know, well, today group discussion will not take place, but group formation and topic assignation will take place. Okay, so I'll assign topics and I'll create groups so that upcoming week we'll have a group discussion on the same topic. So you can also have some knowledge about the particular topic. So let's first talk about topics. Till then, many of you will come. Just give me a minute. Hmm. Can you see the screen? Is it fine to
Yes,
you?
sir.
Okay. So we are talking about topics for GD. Okay. Okay now everyone try to select some topic. First is I think COVID pandemic. First topic. COVID pandemic. The first topic. COVID-19 pandemic. Now anything else? Mhm. What can be the second pandemic? COVID-19 pandemic. And what is the second one? Come on. Waiting for your responses. Eighteen participants are there. Come on, give me some more. Suggest me some more topics. What about
Sir,
mm,
safety measures in election.
yes, safety measures? Fine. Can we say like this that it is can be mm, safety measures? Can we go like wait a minute. What is this? Nirbhar Bharat. Okay. What can be the self-reliant India? Second topic. Can you say some more topic? Another topic? Can we have burning topic? Women status in India. More topic we can have like financial burden on family during COVID pandemic. Is it fine? What about GDP? It's going down of India. Declination decline किया है. So declination nation in GDP of India. Okay. Any more topic? Come on. Give me some more suggestions. Come on. क्या कर रहे हो? सुबह बोलना चाहिए सुबह सुबह. Some more suggestions. Come on, students. What about social media?
Unemployment.
Come on. Unemployment is fine, but choose some burning topic. Okay, unemployment or say losing of jobs. But unemployment. What about new education policy? New education policy. Okay, anyone else? Some more? What about online teaching, public work from home? What do you say? Okay, topics are fine. Now you please note down this topic. Please, everyone, note down this topic because this is going to help you. Everyone, please note down this topic. Now we'll have a group formation. Okay. Okay. In participants, we have Harishankar is here. Isha, Kalash. So group A will be taking Harishankar, then Isha, Kalash. At least you must say yes, sir, because I'm not getting response from you. Ketan and Parth. Okay, so group A, we have Harishankar, Isha, Kalash, Ketan and Parth. In group B, we have Prashant, Prashun, Prashant Baghel. Then we have Prashun, Ritik, Harshit, Tyagi, Harshit, Ritik, Harshit, Prashun, Ritik, Harshit, and Nikhil Singh will be in. Okay. Then we're talking about GC, group C. In group C, we'll have Pranay, Ronik. Pranay, then Ronik. Jitendra, Nidhi, Kaushal. Jitendra, then we have Nidhi, I'm also noting down it. Okay. Kaushal, Kaushal Kumar Rai. And group D, we have Nivedita. Nivedita, are you there, beta? Nivedita Mishra, are you there, beta? Nivedita Mishra, Nivedita, Gaurav. Am I audible to you? Can you hear me, the students?
Yes, sir.
Not receiving response from you. Nobody is speaking. Jitendra is there in the group. Jitendra is
You're
there.
audible, sir.
Okay, is there anyone who is left? Let me tell you, in group A, we have Harishankar, Isha, Kalas, Ketan, and Parth. Group B, we have Prashant, Prashun, Ritik, Harshit, Nikhil Singh. Group C, we have Pranay, Ronik, Jitendra, Nidhi, and Kaushal. And in group D, we have Niveta and Gaurav. I think some more are yet to come. I'll add them in this group D. Okay. Now, group A, Harishankar, Isha, Kalas, and Ketan. Just unmute yourself and select topic. Today we are not going to have discussion. Okay, we'll have discussion in the next week. But today, at least select your topic and prepare yourself for that. We'll have a discussion. Okay, group discussion is the first part of your this tute syllabus. Okay, so first you all of you, Isha, Kalas, Ketan, Parth, and Harshankal, just unmute yourself. Unmute your
Yes,
mic
sir.
actually.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now select any topic. We have I have already shared topics with you.
The fourth,
Select any
financial
two topic.
financial burden on family during COVID pandemic.
Which one?
Fourth.
Fourth one, financial burden.
Yes, sir.
Okay, financial burden. Anything else? Financial burden. Okay, on family. Okay, anyone else? Anything else you want to select? Isha, Kalas, Ketan, Parth. Isha, Kalas, Ketan, and Parth.
Sir, we have to take only one topic, na?
No, one you can take one more topic and any topic I can ask you for discussion. Okay, you can take one topic.
Teaching
That's fine.
and
Which one? Which one?
sir, this last one, online teaching and work from home.
Okay, online teaching and work from home. Now it's a online teaching and work from home. Okay. ठीक है. Now, okay, group B. Prashant, Prashun, Ritik, Harshit, Nikhil. Prashant, Prashun, Nikhil, Harshit.
Sir, first and eight.
First and 8. First
Yes,
is
sir.
uh, COVID pandemic.
Yes, sir.
COVID pandemic. And 8th is online teaching. No, don't go for online teaching because someone has selected it. Go for something else. 7, new education policy. So, new education policy. That's fine. Okay, group C. Pranay, Ronik, Jitendra,
So
Nidhi, and Kaushal.
sixth, so sixth,
Is
social media.
social media. That's fine enough. Social media. Then
It's sufficient, sir. We have to select only one topic.
you have to select one topic, but take one more so that I can ask for any.
So seventh one.
Seventh one is already picked. Nutrition policy. Try someone else. Try something else. 3 or
Second,
2.
second one.
Atmanirbhar Bharat. That's fine. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay. Okay. Now group D. Nivedita and Gaurav. Nivedita and Gaurav. Select any topic. Nivedita and Gaurav. Nivedita, are you there, beta? Gaurav and Nivedita. Nivedita? Nivedita Mishra. Gaurav? Nivedita, are you there? No, I'm not getting response from them. Nivedita and Gaurav. Kumar Anubhav, are you there? Kumar Anubhav, again he will be in the next group, in the group D. Kumar Anubhav, are you there? So when they are not speaking, they must be, they must be expelled from the class since they are not responding. Kumar Anubhav, are you there, beta? Nivedita, are you there? And Gaurav. Dear students, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So where are they?
sir. I don't know.
Okay, they must be doing something or some network problem must be there with them. Okay, at least you tell them. Okay, who is the CR in this class now?
कोई select नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
अच्छा, nobody selected yet. कोई नहीं. This responsibility I'll give to Saurav. Are you there? Again, Saurav will be in group D. Saurav. Saurav, are you there?
Sir, आप निधि को बना दो.
Saurav. Yeah, he also left. Well, let me tell you, while discussing, you will be given internal marks, and this discussion will not take place with me. Some external will come and he will go for this discussion and he will provide you marks on the basis of your discussion. Okay. So, well, now you take it seriously. Whether you want to discuss it or not, that is up to you. Okay, I have, my task was to create group that I have done, and I have assigned a topic. Now, rest of things you must understand because expert will come and he'll talk about it. Okay, now, so two topics which I would like to give from the group D, Nirita and all. That can be GDP. Women status in India. Okay. Women status in India. In India, and it will be declination of GDP. GDP. Okay. So these two topics. I think Nidhi, are you there, beta?
Yes, sir.
Please tell them, Nivedita, Gaurav, Anubhav, and Saurav, that these two topics are given to them. Next week we'll have a group discussion, among the, between, sorry, on these two topics. And one more thing, uh, your facial expressions, your behavior, the way of expressing yourself, everything will be counted, and on the basis of those you will be given marks. Okay, so prepare yourself accordingly. Hmm. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, so tell them. Okay, that's important.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, since we have group has been formed, G1, a group of G1 has been formed. Now you tell me, uh, in the previous, in the previous semester, we had a good discussion on word formation. Do you know word formation? Student, can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, so I'm audible perhaps. So what I'm saying is that in the previous classes, the first class we have done that we have selected some topics and then everything is fine. But in the next class, what we are going to do is we are going to talk about word formation. Okay, can you please tell me what is word formation? Remember, word formation always takes place with affixation. Do you know affixation? What is affixation? When you add what? Prefix and suffix. Can you make words by adding prefix and suffix? I'm not getting response. This class is not responding at all. ये सब सो करके आ गए हैं, बस बाबा जी कथा सुन रहे हैं, कोई कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है. Now, when you're talking about prefix and suffix, this you need to understand that we can make new words by adding prefix and suffix, and this is called affixation. Okay, so with the help of affixation, you can make words. Okay, new words. For example, if I suppose that if I say, look at this, if I say king, can we make any word from king? So by adding a suffix, look at here, it's a suffix. I'm adding something. By adding a suffix, what the word can be? Look at here. What the word can be? Kingship. Do you find any difference? Yes. When you talk about king, it's a common noun. What is king? It's a common noun. Arey bolo na. Hello.
Yes, sir.
It's a common noun. Isn't is a common noun or not? It's a common noun. And what is ship? It's a suffix.
Yes, sir.
It's a suffix. So what we did in king, we added ship suffix, and what we got the word kingship. And now kingship is an abstract noun. This you need to understand. Kingship is not a common noun. It's an abstract noun. It's a feeling. Kingship. The same. If I say black, BLACK, can you make? Uh, I say motivate. This is the word. Can you make what is the negative of this word?
Demotivate.
Yes. So what is D? What you're doing D? Then what exactly you are doing?
Prefix.
We got it. So through prefix and through suffix, we make what? We can make new words or new forms of words or new verbs or new grammatical categories. Okay. For example, if I say beauty, so beauty and then plus full. What can be the word?
Beautiful.
Obviously. So, beauty was a noun. I mean, say beautiful is an adjective. Again, we can go like uh, BREAK, breakfast. This we did in the last class. Plus lunch. What can be the new word for this? Any new word for this? Brunch.
Brunch.
Again, breakfast plus dinner. Dinner. Hello, please go on. Or sometime what we did that if advertisement, if I say advertisement, what is the short form of advertisement? Can you please tell me? Do we say this? Ad, uska ad aa raha hai. Or short form of this word is, can you please tell me?
Exam.
Isn't it? So this is called word formation. So when we are talking about word formation, today we are just for a second, I'm just for since next class we are going to discuss this. So what is word formation? When by affixation, when with the help of affixation, or with the help of shortening, with the help of clipping, with the help of adding something, with the help of adding two words, removing two words, or mixing, blending. When we make new words, this is called word formation. Okay, this we are going to talk about today. Can you suggest me some more words regarding this? Some more words regarding this. So just one thing which you need to understand is that when talking about affixation stands for when you add prefix or suffix. इतना याद रहेगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any idea, what is, suppose if I say, suppose that if I say the word pre is a prefix or suffix? Suppose that if I use the word prefix or suffix?
Prefix.
Okay, if I use the
Prefix.
word now,
Preboard.
pre-board, prepone, postpone. Acha, if I say the word like post, then what is meaning of post?
Sir, post with prefix हो
Means
जाएगा.
after. If I say postpone, look at here. So prepone and postpone. By adding a prefix or by adding two different prefix, pre and post, actually what I'm doing, I'm changing the meaning. Prepone समय से पहले and postpone बाद में, ठीक है? So
Yes,
later.
sir.
So in that case, you need to understand that with the help of prefix and suffix, we can create new words, and this is what we do in the word formation. Okay. Now, let me tell you a new word for this. Okay. In the last batch, perhaps we have, there are several words like bi. You understand bi, mono. Have you know the word mono? What is the meaning of mono?
Single.
Yes, monotone, monosyllabic. Okay, monoplane like this. And what is the meaning of multi? Mono and multi. Multi stands for more than one.
Many.
What multi means many. Yes, you're right. Multi means many. Multicolored, multilingual. Look at multinational, multiracial, like this. Acha, what is the meaning of tri? If I say tri, tripod, three. When I say tri, it means three. Tricycle, tricolor, triangle, like this. So these are the words which can, through prefixes, we can make new words by adding these words. Now let's come to suffix. When you say, suppose that if I ask you, what is the noun of dismiss? Can you please tell me the noun of dismiss? Anyone? If I say dismiss, what is the noun of dismiss? Add al, dismissal, isn't it? Okay, if I say ment, ment, again is a prefix. If I say entertain is a verb, but when you add ment, now it's a noun, entertainment. Pay, pay is a verb. I have paid this, or I have to pay. And when you say payment, I have to make payment. So payment is a noun. Treat and treatment, like this. So there are several, prefix and a suffix. There's a list of prefix and suffix, which is actually talking about how we change in grammatical functions, how we make from noun to verb, and from verb to noun, then from noun to adjective, like this. For example, look at the word. If I say the word black, can you make, wait a minute. Look at this word. Wait a minute. If I say the word black, can you make a noun? Oh, sorry, can you make a verb? क्या आप black को verb बना सकते हो? Anyone can try? If I say blacken, then I have
Yes, sir.
blackened. Yes, I have blackened my wall. My wall. Look at here. So when you say black plus en, again you are creating from your adjective. My wall is black, okay, or white. It's an adjective, but when you added en, now it's become a noun, sorry, a verb. So, there are several affixations. We have a list of this prefixation and suffixation, which we have, in the earlier classes, we have done this. Okay. We change it. Okay. Now let's come to the category of, let's, so what we are going to do, just, we are going to talk about this, inflection, derivation, then we talk about compounding, then we talk about this clipping and blending. There are the five words we'll talk about: clipping and blending. These we did in the previous semester. Are you getting my point, dear students?
Yes, sir.
What is the well, I'm not going to talk about more about it, but in the upcoming classes, I'll talk about this. That first we'll start with inflection, ION, inflection. Then we move to derivation. This we did in the last class. भूल गए हो क्या तुम लोग? Derivation. Then we talk about blending. Then we'll talk about wait a minute. About clipping, and the last is compounding. I'm just giving you so that you understand. Suppose that if I say boy and I'm saying boys, do you find any difference? Boy and boys? Tell me. If I say teach and then TESCHES, do you find any difference?
Singular and plural.
Yes, this is called inflection. When there is a change in the grammatical structure, when there is change, grammatically, then there is there is a difference. When you say boy and boys, are singular and plural. When you say teach and teaches, again teach is a plural verb, where teaches is the singular verb. Okay. For example, when you have a changes in grammatical function, this is called inflection. And what is derivation? When you derive a new word. Can you give me examples of derivation? Anyone? Examples of derivation? When you make new words by deriving, if you say, uh, ले लीजिए, please. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when you give up, when you say, do you know the word drive? Come on. What is inflection when you're talking about when you're changing the grammatical structure? What is derivation when you're making the new word? Can you please tell me what is the word? Do you have the word? Do you know the word drive? Can you make a new word from drive? Any new word from drive is? Driver नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
When suppose that when you say drive, DRIVE, and then you added, just give me a minute, ER. Now what is the new word? Driver.
Driver.
Yes, this is known as a derivation. When you derive a new word. Okay. Conduct and then conductor. What is blending? Anyone? Blending, when you blend, when you mix two words.
Yes, sir.
Give me examples of blending. मैंने ऊपर दिया है आपको एग्जांपल ब्लेंडिंग का.
Demotivation.
Demotivation will be derivation. Yeah, because you are adding something. So ऊपर मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया है ब्लेंडिंग का. What is this? Look at here. Have you blended something here? कुछ मिलाया है आपने इसमें?
Yes, sir.
Breakfast plus lunch क्या बन गया?
Breakfast. Brunch.
Brunch. Now you have mixed two words. This is called blending. If I say Brinner, cyborg. So what is clipping? I have also given you an example of clipping. The same.
Extracting word from a word.
Yes, yes. Look at these two examples, advertisement and examination. What we are doing?
Clipping some part of the word.
मुझे ad मिला है. Okay, I have to take exam like this. So you're clipping. Now आपने word को अलग clip करके अलग कर लिया. You have just clipped it. And now again, example is exam. Then there's some more examples we'll discuss in upcoming classes. Now, what is compounding? When you attach two words, this is called compounding. Give me some examples of compounding. Do we have any examples of compounding? Prepone, you can say compounding. Well, prepone, postpone. So when two words come together, pre is not a word actually. Pre is a, you may say it's an adjective, pre and post. Okay, but when two words are there, for example, let me tell you. Just wait a minute. If I say foot is a word or not? Is it a word, foot?
Yes, sir.
And then ball is a word or not?
Yes, sir. Football.
So have you made a new word for this? Yes. Football.
Football.
Okay. If I say land is a word or not? A separate word. And if I say lady is a separate word or not? Yes. What can be the new word is landlady.
Landlady.
So when you're talking about two different words and by combining them, when you are making a new word, this is known as a compounding. Okay. So inflection, grammatical structure, derivation, when you are deriving new word from the same word, then again blending when you're mixing words, clipping when you are clipping, when you are using a part of word for the whole, and compounding is when you are making two different words, one for another meaning. Okay, so again we'll discuss in upcoming classes. Okay, for today this will be, I think, enough for you. Do you want to ask any question? Anything
No,
which you
sir.
want to ask? Okay, then thank you for today. We'll see you in the next class. Okay, Vita?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vita. Bye bye everyone. At least say bye everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.